solve an inequality, you treat it as an equation with an equal sign.
So for our first equation, y is greater than 3, change the greater than sign to a equal sign and solve for y.
Since this equation is already solved for y, your answer is 3.
Once you have solved for y, you take the greater than sign and use it to find your extended answers.
Since this equation is y is greater than 3, everything greater than 3 is included on your number line.
When doing a number line, if you have a greater than or less than sign, your dots are open. If you have a greater than and equal to or less than and equal to, then your dots are closed.
Your number line should look like this.
Now let's try our next problem.
Another way to solve an inequality is to graph it. Start by treating it as a normal equation with an equal sign. Your equation should look like this. Once you have that, then graph the line.
When you graph the line, it should look something like this. Notice the line is solid. If the inequality had a less than or greater than, the line would be dashed.
Now we have to deal with the less than or equal to. For me, it's easiest to look at the graph, then decide which side of the line to shade.
Because y is less than or equal to x plus 4, anything below or less than the line is shaded.
It should look like this.
Now try the next problem. First, solve for y by using an equal sign.
Be sure to get y by itself.
It should look like this.
Now graph the equation. Decide whether it will be a dashed line or a solid line.
Since our equation is greater than or equal to, our line will be solid. Once you have finished, you need to decide which side to shade.
Since y is greater than or equal to, you will shade anything greater than the equation.
Your graph should look like this.
A challenge problem on your own.
Don't forget that the greater than and less than sign mean that your number line has empty dots, and that the greater than or equal to and less than or equal to signs means that you have filled in dots.
Also, while on a graph, less than or greater than are a dashed line, and greater than or equal to and less than or equal to are solid lines.